Hi there, Dory Sukup here with Tara Lampkin, and we're going to be discussing the product of the month for the month of September. We are so excited. We actually just completed the virtual Leap Ahead seminar. We did 12 modules of 2 hours, actually over 2 hours each, where we shared an entire blueprint on how to operate your business successfully. So you see, the Leap Ahead seminar is one of the most popular events that we do here at Inspiration Management, and normally it's an in-person seminar. So last month what we did is we took it virtually, and we literally had hundreds of people attend. Now if you missed it, we are making it available on demand now. So imagine being able to tap into this information and doing it on demand, on your own time. You see, we created this great platform for you called
Medspa Biz University.
And there you'll be able to see everything that you need. You can go on that site, be able to watch all the webinars, be able to see what comments people actually have made, and also download any of your business tools that we gave you. As a matter of fact, the bonuses that we gave away with the Leap Ahead Virtual was over $2,500, I believe, in bonuses. So see, not only can you tap into the information that you need to ensure your success, but we also gave you some of the tools that you need to give you a quick, fast start to implementing what you need to do in order to improve your business. So we are super excited to make this available on demand, and we want to encourage you to go in to inspirationmanagement.com, click on the Leap Ahead tab, and you'll be able to learn all about the Leap Ahead virtual event. So we're super excited. We had such an amazing time. Actually, we filmed it. Well, the first 2 modules were filmed in the studio, but we did not have our set yet. So after the second module, it was actually videotaped just for you to make it more entertaining, more engaging. We had people asking questions, we had comments, we had some special guests from mastermind members that came and shared their successes. It was an amazing event. You have got, if you're serious about improving your business, you have got to tap into this. And here's the best part. We sliced the price basically in half from doing it in person versus virtually. So it's a great savings for you. And the best part is you get to share it with your leadership team, where before each person had to pay individually to attend. So it's a great opportunity for you to invest a very minimal amount to get greater value return on your money back. So I want to have Tara share with you some of the comments of what some of the attendees or graduates have actually said about the Leap Ahead event. You want to share with them some of the comments?
Absolutely. Thanks for inviting me, Dory. So our first comment is coming from Linda Lazaro. She's a mastermind member, and this is about the virtual Leap Ahead. Linda says, with this being our 3rd Leap Ahead, how amazing is that? It's amazing to me how many additional perks and processes we were able to pick up and implement.
Nice.
For us, not only being able to implement these systems in the medical spa and generate revenue, we've been able to implement them in our plastic surgery center and see exponential growth as well. I would highly recommend this 100% to anyone who has a med spa, anyone who is in the process of opening a med spa. You can really hit the ground running, and the elimination of costly and timely errors.
Yeah.
So that's amazing.
Well, she's an amazing person.
She is.
They've been members for so long. That's why it's her 3rd Leap Ahead. And I have to tell you, let's share with them what they did with just the copy system that we shared, and how much in like 2 months, how many memberships
she had 489 members in 2 months.
In 2 months, imagine. And these memberships were not cheap.
No.
They had the level of $4.99 down to like $2.50. But you know what Linda's comment was when they were our guests during the Leap Ahead? They said we should have even raised it up higher.
She's like, I'm thinking my lowest should have been the $4.99.
So you see, when you hear people accomplishing this type of success, it should make you think, if they can do it,
Why can't I?
so can I. And that's so important for you to hear. And that's why I want to really encourage you to go in and see all the great things that you can learn and invest in yourself so your business can thrive and grow.
Absolutely. And you know, it's about reaching the success the fastest way possible.
Yes.
And the way you've set up the virtual leap ahead really does give them that opportunity to do so.
Yes.
So
do you have some other comments?
I do. So I pulled a couple of my favorites out. So this is from Teresa Forger. She also attended the virtual leap ahead, and she goes, I was inspired to take the leap of faith, and I landed just where I wanted to be.
Oh, I've
already got goosebumps, right? During this challenging time, it was challenging to be in a field where the old norm was no longer going to make it anymore. I struggled with justifying if the money was well spent. I had to do something to save my passion and my career. I spent my mortgage money, and I invested in me. My return that came before the program even ended. I was able to implement strategies immediately, and I know I had made the best investment. Thank you, Dory and the team.
Oh.
How amazing. Like, I get goosebumps reading these.
It is. It's so nice. And she actually said something here that's so important, because a lot of people think that they can't afford to actually do something like this. But she made the sacrifice. This is somebody who had actually a very successful business at once, but she went through some rough period, and now she's relaunching herself.
Absolutely.
And what a better way to relaunch your business, but to do it right from the beginning. So yes, it might be difficult right now, but as she's mentioning, she's already implementing things that already gave her the return on her investment. Actually, didn't she call up yesterday?
She did.
So why don't you share with them that?
She wanted to share with us her exciting news. She had a consultation, and she was able to close $3,500 in product sales. Yes. And so she was thinking, if I was able to do that, I should probably upgrade my prices or increase my prices so I can generate more revenue.
Exactly.
So that just
I'm so
shows
proud
you.
of her.
Dory, we received another testimonial from Brenda. Brenda was part of the virtual leap ahead, and her testimonial is absolutely amazing. She said, I wanted to improve my business success rate. I met Dory at the aesthetic conference a few years back, and I was impressed with the manual she displayed. I knew I had to hear what knowledge she had and to guide my spa business venture, which is also a skincare salon owner. During the presentation delivery, the information provided was organized, consumable, and retainable. Of course, the presenter herself, Dory Suka, was undeniably knowledgeable and forthright. I can't wait to implement the knowledge gained. The benefit for me is that I feel so much more confident that I will be implementing a well-organized business improvement blueprint successfully for the spa industry, and that I do know exactly what to implement, when to implement each phase, and how the implementations will provide my expected projections for growing my business revenues and clientele. I would highly recommend the Leap Ahead seminar to any spa business owner that needs guidance to improve their success of their business.
So nice.
It is.
And you know what's so satisfying to me is hearing and reading this type of reply to what they've actually gained out of the event. Nothing really makes me happier than to hear these kind of responses to what we do. So I really want to encourage you to go to inspirationmanagement.com. On the Leap Ahead page, there's a webinar that I did for you that's called Protect Your Business. It's an amazing webinar that you should definitely go and watch. I had 5 mastermind members on this webinar, and they shared with everybody how the Leap Ahead experience have totally transformed their business. So if you're ready for a business transformation, if you're sick and tired, just the status quo, I want to encourage you to go and make that little investment in yourself and in your business, in your team, so you can reach the highest level of success. So we have a great bonus program for you with the Leap Ahead admission. You'll be able, as soon as you register, you'll be able to get an email and sign on to the Medspa Biz University immediately and gain access on demand. So I want to encourage you to do that, and I can't wait to hear your success story. So thank you so much, Tara, for joining me and
My
for
pleasure.
reading these wonderful testimonials for everybody. I want to encourage you to go check out that webinar. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you ring the bell so you can get the notifications. And please share this with anyone that you feel would benefit from it. Until next time, stay inspired.